Hey folks, AG Squared here. Whether you're a renter or a homeowner, if your toilet isn't flushing when you push down the handle, not even making a sound of any kind, this video will be of great help. The likely issue is that the chain connected to the handle and the flapper has broken. What's a flapper, you ask? Well, it's this thing right here. Its only purpose in life is to create a watertight seal between the toilet tank and the toilet bowl. It normally is closed, but when the handle is pushed down, it opens up and lets water through into the bowl. Let's take a look at the issue we got at one of my parental properties. At this point, I've already turned off the water valve next to the toilet and flushed the toilet by lifting the flapper up manually from inside the tank. And as suspected, we can see that the chain is no longer connected to the flapper. Let's remove it to take a closer look. Most flappers will be attached to the drain valve simply by connecting it using two holes on the side. If yours is like this, then just do as I show here. Looks like the metal hook is still attached to the flapper. So what I'll do is rotate it around to see if I can reconnect the chain to it. It looks promising. The hook looks like it got a little loose, which allowed the chain to come off. What I'll try doing is taking the last link in the chain and feed it inside the hook. Once I got it back inside the hook, I reconnected the flapper to the drain valve. Next, I'm just going to push down on the handle a few times and make sure that the flapper is opening and closing without issue. This looks good, folks. And the last thing to do here is to turn the water back on and let this fill up. This way, we can test that flushing things won't result in a running toilet, which is caused when the chain is too loose or too tight, preventing the flapper from making a watertight seal. One thing worth noting, I had to use these pliers here to tighten the hook so that the chain doesn't come off again. The pliers may also actually be handy in case you need to loosen the hook to make it easier to feed the chain link back inside of it. Okay, let's go ahead and flush this toilet and confirm that the flapper works as it's supposed to. Water goes into the bowl, flushes all our nasty down the pipes, and then the flapper comes back down. Watch how the chain doesn't get stuck in between. If it did, then we'd have to cut the chain shorter. Sweet, this looks good, folks. We won't be needing this new flapper after all, so I'll be returning it to Home Depot. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like and share it with others. And if you're interested in more content around homeownership, real estate, or DIY do-it-yourself projects, renovations, or repairs, go ahead and check out my channel and consider subscribing to not miss out on future nuggets of wisdom. As always, folks, thank you for tuning in, and till next time.